Hello guys, thanks for watching. In today's video, we are going shopping for Valentine's Day home decor, and we are going to 3 different stores: Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, and Target. I'm at Hobby Lobby right now, about to go in, and I love shopping for new seasons when I haven't seen anything yet, so I can see like what the trends are that year. And yeah, so we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby first. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. Also give it a like if you like it, so I know to keep this style video coming. And lastly, if you write a comment down below, I will get back to you. I love hearing what you guys think in the comment section. If you have decorated for Valentine's Day this year, then let me know if you're going with red and pink, or if you're going like outside of the box, or if you have any like special ideas and tips for everyone else, then write those below too, and let's get started. What I love about the first few pieces in this video is that they have a modern style. They're unconventional. So this says XOXO on the bottom, very understated, and this is part of a permanent line, but I just saw those and had to share them with you. And then I'm going to be showing you a neon sign in a few clips here. It says love, and I thought it was adorable. I know so many of you are really into the neon sign that I have above my own bed, so this would be very cute above yours or on a desk, really anywhere you like.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
Hobby Lobby is known for their sales, and so a lot of these things were 40 to 50% off, but they always have a 50% off coupon on their website of one full price item, and you don't even have to print it out. Just show it to them on your phone. They can scan it from your phone, so hopefully that will help a few of you out.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? Was great till you added colors, like the moon is the snow. We don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
And one of my favorite finds here were the ribbons. Hobby Lobby had so many really cute ribbons. If you are doing an arts and crafts project, if you are wrapping any presents or gifts, then I really recommend that you check these out. I have so many favorites, but I think the last one, the XOXO, is my favorite with the white and pink. And then if you are a planner person, or you just like stickers, or if you have any kids and they like to play with stickers, there are tons of really cute ones for Valentine's. I'm showing a few of my favorites right now.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
I've always thought of Hobby Lobby as very traditional when it comes to decor, and even a little bit farmhouse. So if that is your style, this is the perfect place for you to check out. There are so many of these small signs. I would say there were at least 30 options. There's definitely something for everyone.
Set my world on fire.
Well, as you guys saw, Hobby Lobby was a lot more like party decor and decorations than actual home decor. I was thinking I'd find like some pillows and like substantial items, but it was all like smaller signs or activities for kids. So if you do have like a family, then there are some really cute things for kids there. There's some really cute ribbons and just like smaller things. But as far as actual decor, I'm hoping we'll have a lot better look at Target and Home Goods.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't may it all, just tell me where you are. Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine.
And when you walk into the home decor section at Target, there is an end cap with everything for Valentine's Day that's under $20. And these heart wreaths I absolutely love. I think they are just the cutest thing. There are some options for garland as well. I believe there were 3 different options. So I definitely encourage you guys to have a look here. I think I might go back for one of those wreaths. And there was an insane amount of Valentine's Day chocolates. The entire holiday section is now the candy for Valentine's Day. And then I found a love sign as well, a neon sign, and a heart that's a neon sign. So that is such a trend right now, and you guys know I love it.
Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces.
I'm sure we all know someone who would get a kick out of these weirdo and weirdest coffee mugs. And then there are so many crafts, of course, for Valentine's Day. One of my favorite random sections at Target is the wrapping paper and the gift bags. They always have the cutest ones and funny ones. So I'm showing you a few of my favorites. And then if you're going to make sweet treats for Valentine's Day, and if you're going to bake some cookies or just whatever, there are a lot of really cute things for that as well. There is a tin that is only $3. I'm showing you in a few seconds here, that I totally recommend if you're going to bake some brownies or cookies for Valentine's Day. They would look adorable inside of this.
I'll make it back.
I'm never let down by Target. They always have the cutest things. I really was thinking I'd find some pillows though. I don't know why I'm on like a pillow kick for Valentine's Day, but I don't know. I thought that'd be like the most popular home decor item to find for Valentine's Day. And I also thought I would see some t-shirts. So I wonder if there's some online. If there are, I'll put them on the screen right here for you, but I definitely didn't see any in person. They did have some end caps though that were really cute with like champagne and a few different things and candies. I caved and I got the heart candies. They are strawberry flavored and I love like a chewy strawberry flavored fruit snack or candy. And then I also bought a birthday card because I got an email from a subscriber. Her birthday's coming up and she wanted a birthday card from me, and I thought that was so just super nice and really cute. So I got you, girl. I'm sending you a birthday card and we're at HomeGoods, so let's go in. I really loved that floral bouquet. I might go back for that and put it in my office. I always say I might go back for things because sometimes I just like to think about things for a minute and make sure it's on impulse buy, but this is like a pamper and self-care section. So there are a couple things for working out, like this bag. I love that bag. I have a notebook in that print, but there are a lot of soaps and bath salts, and there are towels, just anything like that. I also found a really cute, I would say this is like a computer chair, and the back is a heart and has sequins on it. Really, really pretty.
Don't believe a word you say. This kind of love has never ever
as you guys saw, I did not find that much stuff today. I honestly really thought that I would. I know it's not like Halloween or Christmas, but still, it seems like a lot of people still like to decorate for Valentine's Day, but for the most part I was just finding like party decorations and wrapping paper and things like that. So yeah, if you guys are finding Valentine's Day home decor, let everybody know in the comments. I would love to know. I'm sure anyone watching this video would like to know. Also, please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I really hope I have enough footage for a whole video. So thanks so much for spending the time with me, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.